We are currently here at the PCYC out in Auburn, and yeah, we're here for the TKS event, the Kickz Stand event, but it's actually all happening in that area down there. It's been a lot of fun, probably like midday or mid-event already. I did the photo and video for today, and it's been such a wonderful experience. But that's enough for me talking. I think I should just show you guys, so let's go. Yeah, so what's up guys? So I'm here with Kuya Henry. He's the mastermind of Mate Burger. So, hey guys, if you want him to come to Melbourne, please hit it up in the comments in his IG. Please let him. Please tell him to come to Melbourne, please, because we need to go there
to Melbourne one day and maybe do a pop-up. So you guys can try the Filipino, American, Australian fusion.
Because if you haven't tasted it, I'm telling you guys, you're missing out. So definitely, we wish you could come to Melbourne, right?
You should try the crispy lechon burger.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so this is the actual event where we're at. Lawman is actually just about to do another draw.
So make sure you have your tickets ready. If you still want to buy tickets.
So if you guys don't know, they do a lot of raffles here, and basically you buy tickets, you win prizes, and it's always awesome. And that's what they're doing right now. So, and I've heard a lot of people that have actually bought like $150 worth, and they like won Yeezys and stuff. So it's usually worth it. So I met this really cool guy. His name's Roger, and he does customs as well. This is him, guys. This is Roger, everyone.
How you doing, guys?
Vlog, man. Roger does really cool like custom work. Is that correct?
The correct term is bespoke, handcrafted.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm not reserved with that kind of stuff.
Hands are good at talking, but you are right. They are custom.
Yeah.
They're pretty much handmade from scratch. So what we do is we take the retail shoe, we take off the donor sole, and then we remake the whole upper. Elevated materials, exotic materials, and we're focusing on the Jordan 1s.
Yeah, man, because I'm telling you guys, definitely the materials is A1. Have a look, guys, have a look.
This is Italian tumbled leather. All this is alligator embossed croc. And here as well.
Nice, man. How long did it take you to make this, bro?
This probably takes about 30 to 35 hours. So yeah, it's a good full-time work hours.
Yeah, definitely, man.
Yeah.
It's a whole. It took him a week, a full-time hour week, man.
Yeah,
so
whole week to make
a lot of work goes into this, man.
You got to cut out every single piece of material and stitch everything together, glue everything. So it takes quite a long time.
A lot of hard work goes into it, and definitely check him out at
Shoe Cutters. You can find us on Instagram at Shoe Cutters with a Z.
There you go, follow guys. I am at Lace Space with my boy.
What's up?
Mr. Alex.
How we doing, y'all?
How are you feeling about today?
I love it. It's good to be back. 2 years in the making.
I realized that this stone.
Yeah, you like it?
It's like a duck mud,
Ultimate
man.
safety, everyone. Safety is important.
But yeah, man, I think it's been a pretty good day so far.
It's been good.
The turnout's been pretty good as
turnout's
well.
really good. A lot of vendors as well. A lot of variety. I haven't been shopping yet though, so we'll see how we go.
Well, there's still time, so you can make up for it, yeah?
Exactly.
Guys, we are at Soul Prints now with my man here, and he's got something new for you guys, man. Tell us about it, bro. Tell us about it.
2 years in the making, we finally have our own sneaker line, so we got our Cynical tee. Now these aren't any just pair, these are handmade in Italy and shipped straight to your front door. So we got nice premium Italian leathers, we got our nice green heritage suede at the back there. So yeah, what are you waiting for? Order your pair now. Soulprints.com.au.
Yeah. That's freaking perfect, man. What the heck? Guys, I found this really interesting stall out at the TKS event. And you guys gotta see it, man. Introduce yourself, guys.
Hey, I'm Piper, or Kip, and this is my brother, Eggy. What to do?
Yo. Tell me about the drink, bro.
So this is basically a cola from the Outback. It's from Burke, and it poops all over normal Coca-Cola, trust me. Come and have a drink, it's back-a-back splashy cola.
And it wasn't just I got one of these guys. These guys hooked me up. Thank you so much for a really decent price for one. Oh, I had it the wrong way. The Sculpture off-white little IKEA bag. I mean, I've been wanting this for ages, so thank you so much, guys. Thank you.
For the culture.
I haven't actually held these out in person, man. These are so nice. Patent leather, 310. Woo! Check that out, man. That's so nice. Yo, what's What's up, guys?
We're back. Thank the
Kickz.
sneaker community. We're back, yo. Yes.
What do you think about today, man? What do you
Oh, it's beautiful. It's just good to be outside, man. We outside. That's all that matters. We outside.
How'd you go today, though?
So
good?
far, so good. We brought 100 pairs. We down 32 pairs. So we're good. We're doing all right.
Yeah, man.
Competitive prices, 100% authentic all the time.
That's how we do it, man.
And this is the face. We ain't with the fake stuff. Yeah. We know that glue smell and we know what materials look like. We're not you young boys trying to just get in the game now. Don't try it.
Yeah, that's it, man. All right, man.
Yes,
thank
sir.
you, thank you. Hey, plug yourself, man.
Caps and Kickz. Right here.
Oh, sorry.
That's the Instagram. That's the page. We outside. Holla at me.
Yeah. Yo, we are at Trend Kickz right now with my boy Dean. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on, boys? We're here at the Kickz Stand event, enjoying it as usual. It's a great community to be part of. The whole Sydney, the whole Australia are getting along together, sharing the same passion. If you didn't get a chance to come in today, there's always some more events to come, whether it's Brisbane, Melbourne, or around Australia pretty much, and I believe it's in New Zealand as well, eh?
Maybe, yeah.
And it's a great event to be part of. Enjoying time, shoes, sneakers, fashion, anything like that.
Yeah.
Trend Kickz, TREND, Kickz.au. Show us some love, man. Shout out to my boy KIXPLORE, the real brother here, man.
Yeah, bro.
He put everything on the map. You feel me? Appreciate it, man. Have a good one.
What's unique about this event is that they actually got dancers down here. People dancing. It's pretty cool, man. We got one dancer right here. Show us this stuff, bro. Go. What's up? Here we go, man. I did nothing? Okay, fine. You go shy, man. He's saving it. He's saving it for the actual battle, man. So it's alright. It's all good, man.
Stand 2022, let's go!
Boys and girls, we are out here at the Uncovered booth. Hey, tell us about it, what you do, bro.
Alright, so it's a streetwear and sneaker podcast where we're trying to be all inclusive, try and get the community together, bring up small and upcoming brands, and I guess just talk about things that we like and other people are into as well.
That's what you got, man. Hey, that's what you want. Hey, the whole community needs to get onto this. Please subscribe to the podcast.
100%.
Check them out, and you never know, your boy might be on this little podcast. And the second half of the actual podcast of Uncovered is my boy here.
yeah.
So, man, introduce yourself, bro.
My name's Rashad. I'm the second part of the Uncovered podcast. Follow us on Spotify and Apple Podcast.
Yeah.
Hey, bro.
Hey, so I'm all about helping out those like locally in the community. And this is my boy, man. He's local, man. So, hey, plug yourself, bro.
Hey guys, my name is William. I run this brand called Asphalt & Co. We're a Sydney-based streetwear brand. We literally just had an amazing day. Came in, just wanted to say what's up to homies like him. We ended up getting people coming through, showing love. We dropped Genesis today, which is our first cut and sew line of t-shirts. It's been an amazing time. We made some good money, good friends, good company.
That's it, bro.
Asphalt & Co.
You heard it here, bro. Let's get it. Guys, how with the rest of the I'm gonna be talking to the really important guys from TKS, the guys that make TKS happen. It's the boys in the front line.
Raffle tickets, Get some.
TKS model over here. Look at him. Oh, with his prize. Oh. basically what you can expect at a TKS meetup or event. The next one's going to be in Melbourne, so definitely come and check us out and come enjoy the fun because there's so much that happened here. This is like what happened on the blog is actually just like really partial of what's happening. There's like dance comps, there's all these different prizes. Right now they're giving out prizes right now, really wonderful prizes, so definitely come check it out. And yeah, if you like sneakers, streetwear and all that kind of stuff, please come to the next event and we'll see you there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.